Hi, I'm John Gorman.
And I'm Dylan Gorman with Save Energy Company.
Since 1983, we've been serving homeowners in San Francisco, Marin, and Sonoma counties.
Typically, we work with older homes to upgrade their existing windows to new energy efficient ones.
My philosophy as the owner is to show up on time, do a great job, keep it affordable, make everyone happy, and they'll tell their friends and neighbors about us. Save Energy Company goes above and beyond the typical warranty that is offered by most window manufacturers. We also offer a free 1-year checkup. Part of staying on top of our field is continuous education and training. So we're a member of Certified Contractors Network. It's a network of contractors that meet throughout the country, some of the top contractors in the country, and we learn best practices. So we deliver a better product and experience for our clients. Starting from a 1,000 square foot warehouse in San Francisco, we moved up into the Mission, got a little bigger, got a few more employees, maybe 10 employees. We're now here in Petaluma since 2003 with 20 employees to serve you. Since moving to Petaluma, we've opened up this warehouse into an office and showroom. And the showroom is really quite spectacular, as you can see. We have done new floors, new window displays, so that you can make an educated decision about the proper windows and doors for your home.
Our design consultants are here to go over all the different window options with you to make sure that you're getting the right window for your home. Our team then really emphasizes communication so that we are all on the same page and know what to inspect for the install. Then if there are any issues, we're here with our warranty and the manufacturing warranty to make sure that you're covered in the end.
It's really important that when we go out to meet with our clients, that they know we're Diamond certified. It's the relationship we have with the community. They know when they pick up the phone, they're talking to a Diamond certified company, and they can rest assured that they'll be in good hands. We never rest on our laurels. We're always trying to improve. In the end, we know that you'll find we are the leader in our field, and you'll want to work with Save Energy Company.